Guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to draw head and shoulder. So basically, as you can see here, we have one head and shoulder pattern shown in the graph, and I will teach you how to draw so in this region. So first of all, go to the tools and search for head and shoulder. So basically this is a head and shoulder. You also can make the head and shoulder to be flavored, and also you can just draw. So after that, you can just draw the head and shoulder, left shoulder, followed by head, and also followed by right shoulder. So basically it will come and stimulate the head and shoulder. If the graph is in inverted, you also can draw. It will come out one by one, the left shoulder, head, and also the right shoulder. So basically, how can we trade at this point? When the graph break to the bottom down below, it will just go to make a reversal trend going downwards. So basically this is how you trade, and before you trade, you make sure you need to know your risk reward ratio, and you can start make your position in your trade. Yeah, that's all for today's video.